Why don't you go close the same slave market that runs in Africa today? Do you want to talk about the India? I'm saying I'm done with India.
Yeah,
I'm not. I'm not gonna deal with you. I thought you was being genuine at first, but I see now you're not being
oh,
genuine.
oh, you
You know
know,
what? He's like either he's like a is he like can't tell if he's liberal or Republican.
I think he's a Republican.
Really?
Where are you from, bro? He said he's American, though. So you say you're American, that's Canada, then you say something about French, then you say
I
England.
think he said he a French Indian. I don't know what the fuck that I don't even how you can even.
Let's
He
get
said
it.
he's a French Indian. I don't care about this man.
yeah,
Let's not stop making a live about him.
French Canadian part.
The key said his ass on Crystal. The guy said his ass on Crystal. Yeah, yeah.
TK, when you plan to get the spot in Miami? How soon?
I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't care about a French Indian.
Man, what? Why would we look that up?
Like, right, that ain't no good information for me to care about. He said the next 10 days.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna make a Miami trip this year, bro. I wanna make one.
Please, American. Go ahead, my bad.
No, no, go.
I was just gonna say, please. Nobody. I mean, some people may be proud to be American, but I'm not.
Proud to be American. What's Trump song every time he comes out?
Jamie, you proud to be an American?
I don't know about that. Proud.
This country can go down a fiery ball hill, a fiery hill, and I would not care.
I'm not gonna say this country because I feel like this is it's all we got. But
We're going to open it going
yeah,
Which makes it 54 niggas. Man, one of them, John, two, getting paid off the point of no return. The slave gun. Understand that's a dime.
yeah, I'm with the car man. I'm not gonna be alive.
We don't have no allies. That's all we got.
And that's what we need to be reminded as we talk to this other minority, right?
What's that?
So-called people of color, that we ain't got no allies.
None.
Zero.
It's crazy.
That's why they want us out in the streets.
Our only ally is the most high.
Mm-mm.
That's the only ally we need.
Yeah, I'm proud to be black. Proud to be black. Proud of America, though. I mean, nah, we don't have no. Who are our allies?
Most
We
high.
asking for.
Yeah,
Did you
records.
say Mossad?
Most high is our only ally.
Mm.
Hey, this old nigga kind of funny though.
What are you talking about?
He said racists have no allies. American people of color have a lot of allies.
No,
So, like,
isn't that the same stuff that they were
you
saying?
ain't got no allies. I think that's what he's trying to say.
Sir, nothing you gonna say gonna get us out there to march for y'all.
You think you're part of that committee?
Nah, I think that he trying to lump us in with people of color.
Oh yeah, bipartisan.
Nah, we not people of color.
Us against the world, and sometimes we positions and different beings. Us against the world, and sometimes we I wouldn't trade against no other group.
CC Motion, what's good? Y'all don't call me on a rarity. I think this is the longest live in UAN history.
Yeah.
Almost 7 hours.
Hey, monetization on the way.
Your ally is white conservatives. No shit, you've been misled. I wouldn't consider them to be allies if we had like black.
I've been saying it. Without the Amish friends, although they sort of we just stand on nationality. We don't have to lock on. We don't have to share all of them.
I'm gonna say this. This is what I always said. If war was to break out, a race war, contrary to what some may believe, some whites are not going to agree with attacking the hell out of black people, and they're going to stand with it. And those white conservatives,
Dang.
yeah,
I hope you're right. Shit, that'd be a hell of a damn sure. Yeah, you talking about the Charlie Kirk people? You saying the Charlie Kirk?
some of them folks, yeah, some of them folks were. This is the thing. I keep telling people, some people are just confused. That goes back to the oblivious. Charlie Kirk was one of those. I don't think Charlie Kirk was a racist ass. I think he was oblivious because everything I listened to him, everything he said wasn't wrong. Some of the shit he said was true.
I love the slogan. Prove me wrong.
That's why they got so mad at him because they couldn't prove it. That's why they were so fucking mad.
My bad. But that, yeah, I never looked at it that way. That's why they couldn't prove it. Hell of a slogan.
Yeah.
Prove me wrong.
Yeah. Yep. Tori, we still at it. Still at it.
Sorry, man.
Yeah.
Tori, what's up with the numbers? You was telling. I wanted to find out more about that. You said you're good with numbers and you can help the platform. You know, if you don't feel like talking about it tonight, man, it's up to Jamie, but it'd be cool to revisit that. Cause I believe in it, yo. I keep pushing, telling you, bro. I just read that shit. That shit say brand.
I agree. I agree with that, Ali. I do agree with that.
Oh, Ally's still with us, too?
Yeah, she is. She's saying she can't give Oblivion a pass for too long. I agree with that. You give them a little time to educate their ignorance, and if they can't figure it out, then you on the same side as them.
Yeah. It's the Remember the Titans scene. Y'all gotta see that scene with the dude.
But you know what?
They don't want luxury of not being forced.
I agree with that. But check this out though, y'all. We can only give them so long to be dumb, right? But how long have black people been screaming America is racism, we're being oppressed in America, that people would think we lying about it?
The reason they think we're lying so low is the statement or the topic Jamie had up earlier. Spoiled, and most of the world look at solo. Most Caribbean immigrants and Africans would love to trade places with us. Like, if y'all niggas don't like it over there, please let us come to. Let's swap it out. Y'all come to, Botswana or whatever the countries are over there. You know, what's up, Dave? Dollar still with us.
I got a Solo. You ever been in Mississippi? I think you say you haven't, right?
Have I ever did what?
Been in Mississippi, like you explored down in there? You said yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you ran into the whites in Mississippi?
Not really.
So, because see, this is something that David Banner shared, and I gotta agree with him, honestly. Because a lot of blacks are intimidated to go to Mississippi because they're unaware of what's there and they know about the stories like Mississippi Burning, right? Like my family is from there, so I've been there plenty of times. And what David Banner said basically is that the thing about Mississippi is that with the whites, they either love you or they hate you. There's no in between. And he's 100% right. That's what it is. It like this brother Rector is saying right now, it's the truth, bro. I'm telling you.
What he say?
He said it is certain ones that will go bend over backwards for you.
It will.
It is some that's like that, regardless if some of us want to accept it or not. It is some that's like that. They will fight hard for you for what they believe in.
Yes, they will.
But on the flip side, it's some of them that will hate the living shit out you no matter what you do. That's what Mississippi is all about. It's either one side or the other. There's no gray area. And we appreciate you, Tori, for sure. We appreciate you.
I mean, I would agree with that. I think that white people have learned to form relationships with black people, and I do think that if you do form a relationship with a white person, it is likely that they may fight for you in the event they see you being discriminated against. I believe that. But how are they going to treat regular Tyrone that's walking through the neighborhood because he got a flat tire? Are they going to call the police on him? They're going to walk up to him and say, "That's my neighborhood. This my neighborhood.
They would probably
You
help.
don't live like what?"
If they see the flat tire, they would probably help them. Like one of Jamie's trips back to Memphis, I remember you saying how they sort of get a bad rap. They really are some nice people. I fully agree.
I got pulled over several times in the parts that you would not want to get pulled over at. All white cops. Every last one of them were cool. I promise you.
No, you said it best, bro. They with you. They'll go to war with you.
Matter of fact, when I was coming from Phoenix Solo, that time, and I told you that my rotor, my belt broke. And I had the ones, guess who helped around the white people?
That's where Southern hospitality come from. That's where we get it from. Who you think? That's where the black community, white people had Southern hospitality first. It rubbed off on us. Remember, they pretty much programmed us on how we should live in assimilation. So yeah, they still have that. known for Southern Africa. You could have said it better, brother. They either with you or they like you or they don't. And if they don't like you, you might want to get out of Dodge.
I see Derek Crabtree. I don't think black people hate white people. I just wish, and I wish that we were better at that.